There's no secret that HONOR is announcing its best-selling HONOR X9 series smartphone, the HONOR X9d. I've done a quick unboxing and you can see what's included by clicking the link here. When you think HONOR X9C is already tough, HONOR has taken it to another level with the HONOR X9d. The HONOR X9d is 25% tougher than its predecessor. It features the industry first SGS triple resistant certification with a bulletproof inspired shock absorption framework, ultra deep tempered glass, and a new flat screen design. In addition, the HONOR X9d is also the industry first to receive the highest IP rating, IP69K. It's completely dust tight and protected against high pressure and high temperature water jet. The main highlight of this device is definitely the incredible battery capacity. With the new silicon carbon battery, HONOR managed to pack in not only 6,000, not 7,000, but an unthinkable 8,300 mAh battery. Who need a power bank when this phone is the power bank itself? This device is still under embargo, so I can't disclose too many details just yet. But don't worry, the HONOR X9d is launching on the 24th of September, so stay tuned for the announcements along with my full reviews of the HONOR X9d. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the 24th of September right here on this screen.